Hi guys, welcome to Tech Brain. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install PyCharm on your Windows PC. Okay, so PyCharm is one of the most powerful IDEs for Python. It helps you write cleaner codes with features like auto-completion, error detection, and smart suggestions. It also comes with built-in tools for debugging, version control, and project management, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. By the end of this tutorial, you will only not have PyCharm installed, but you will also understand how to set it up so you can start coding the first project with confidence. Okay, so let's dive in. You have to first download PyCharm. Okay, so you can download PyCharm on your browser by opening your browser, typing PyCharm in your search engine, then choosing the JetBrains link, or look in the description of this video. I've put the link to PyCharm over there. Okay, so I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to move straight to the file location and then set it up. So set up is the next. It opens a verification panel or window which verifies whether PyCharm will be safe on your PC, whether PyCharm meets the minimum requirements. Verifying while the setup is still loading. Once it's done, it opens an administrator, which makes you really verify or check or maintain Python, whether you want to maintain or continue installation. It's open for you to verify. I want you to click finish over here, and then you can move to the file location where you stored PyCharm. You can see over here PyCharm 2026 with all its files in it. Now let's test run PyCharm on your PC. Okay, so for the test run, just open your IDE, which is PyCharm over here, then click on the plus that you see in the UI, which is the user interface of the IDE, and then it creates a new project. So in this project, you can then write any code, for example, message with the assignment sign, which is the equal to 1, a single equal to, then write hola señorita, or hola señora, which means hi madam, and then you move to the next line, which is line 2, then you print the message, and then click on the play button at the top of your IDE, which is the run, and then you will see a message highlighted or displayed in the run bar or run panel. Hola señorita. Remember, learning to code is a journey. Every small step builds your skills and confidence. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Brain for more tech guides, and share with your friends who are also learning to code Python. Drop a comment if you face any issues and I'll be happy to help. Keep coding, keep growing. See you in the next